Okay, this is where I have stopped last time. I'm going to continue from here. The next thing that I'm going to do, big round shape fan. First I'll go to the top view, then I'll get the tube shape. I'm going to create the big fan because this thickness will be this, then I'll create the height. Here we go. Have a look at your perspective view. Should be something similar to this. Still you can do the fine tuning. I'm going to control the radius. Okay, then what I'll do, I'm going to convert this one to editable poly. Go to vertex mode and lift the top bar a little bit up, and I'm going to get my shift loop tool and create. Let's go to the perspective view, then you can see. I'm going to get I got the shift loop tool, then I'm going to create extra two edges around here. Okay. One here, another one over here. After that, then I'll go to the edge. Click one edge, hold down the shift key, then click the next one. I'm going to use the chamfer to make it round. Here we go. Then what I would do with the edge, there are three edges close to each other. With those three edges, I'm going to select the middle one. Then I'm going to scale it inward. Let me to create the crease line. Okay, that's looking good. Then change this color. Here we go. I'm going to get the cylinder to create the middle pivot. It's something similar to this. Here we go. Create the cylinder with the 18 side polygon. I got the 3 cap segment and the high segment would be 3. Then what I'll do, again I'll convert this one to editable poly. Convert to editable poly. Select this edge. Change the color to something that is visible. Move it down. Something like that. This edge I'm going to expand a little bit more. The scale tool. Here we go. Then I'm going to use the insert tool. Probably I don't have to use the insert tool. Let's get the shift loop tool to create the extra edge ring. Then under the polygon, I'm going to select this one. Then what I'll do is I'm going to select all the middle ones. Press F3 and check it out. You have select any unwanted. Then with the extrude, put it down. Here we go. Happy with that. Then get the insert tool. Here we go. Then again with the extrude tool, get this guy out. Then one more, put a little bit down, one more, then I'm going to use the bevel tool, okay. Create a little bit of roundness. Here we go. Okay, I'm happy with this. Then what I'll do, I go to the object mode, top of the hierarchy, select this one, the big ring. Then I want to get this pivot point middle of here, middle of this ring. Then I'm going to select my align tool, which is over here. Make sure you select the first one and then click the pivot point. Oh, sorry, first select this one, the small one, then click the pivot, align, then click the bigger ring. Here to the center, I'm going to align to XYZ position and to the center. Apply. Now it is right middle of, if you have a look at from the front view, it right middle of this ring. I align it properly. Then what I do, take this car a little bit up. Here we go. Then I'm going to I'm going to create another box. Here we go. Create a box. Then what I'll do, convert this one to editable poly. Convert to editable poly. Scale it down. Then I'm going to select the polygon, these two. I'm going to use the bevel tool. Okay, that's good. Then with the vertices selected, I'm going to move, try moving these two vertices. I'm trying to create the shape of the fan. Okay, that's good. Then front, what I'll do, I'll scale it down, get the thinner. Let's select all of these. Okay, first this one, select the middle thing, then I'm going to use the scale tool along this way, straight it up. Then what I will do, probably I'll create another polygon, another extrude. Go to the vertices, move these guys a little bit closer. Trying to get done some kind of okay. I think that will do. Select these front vertices and put it down. Maybe this one. Here we go. Then what I'll do, I'm going to select all the edges. I'm not going to select these edges because I'm going to delete those polygons. Then I'm going to use the shampoo tool. One is good, and here we go. Okay, that will create the little bit of round edge. Then under the polygon, what I'll do, I'm going to delete these ones. Here we go. Then what I do, I'm going to change the color. Then scale it down. I'll add the modifier FFD 2x2x2 control point. Okay, with the modifier you can do the little bit of fine tune. Now I'm going to collapse this modifier, collapse all. Also, I'm going to move the pivot point. Going to move it over here. Then turn it off. Down. If I want to, I can rotate a little bit that way. Then what I'll do, in my front top view, I will move this I will move the pivot point to the middle, then turn off the pivot point, then I'll go to my perspective view, angle with the angle snap on. I'm going to hold down the shift key. I'm going to rotate along 30 divided by, okay, let's get the calculator, 360 divided by 30, I need 12, I already got 1, I'm going to create the 11, here we go. Okay, that's how you get the this big fan done. If you want to know, I'll flatten this one out. Okay, I'm going to stop over here. You can still tweak this one because since it's been the instant, you can still tweak it up. If you do any tweak to this one fan, it will affect to everything. Tweak it up. You can use the scale tool to make it thinner if you want to. Okay, that's how you get it done, this shape. I'm going to stop the video here.